CW Hurlis with Stor-It Self Storage. I'm the asset and project manager for Stor-It, and then also the construction development head for Avest Limited Partnership, our parent company.
Stor-It Self Storage, that's a big company, isn't it?
Yeah.
How big is that company?
We're the largest in Idaho, and we bounce around the top 45 in the nation. When I first started work for the company, the first thing I had to do was meet Hamish and Hayden. It was kind of a requisite to break in. Met them, and then we kind of started working together on a few projects a few years down the road, and now we don't call anybody else. I call Hamish.
Have you worked with anyone else besides Forge?
Nope.
Never?
Nope.
Ever?
Never, ever, and will never.
My background's in construction. Just like any niche product, you need to find someone who is an expert in that domain.
My day job is an attorney, and I've worked with different people on real estate and construction and so on and so forth. You know, maybe I was a little bit at the first, I don't know if naive's the right word.
We didn't have any other storage assets, so we needed some help to understand the layout, the construction, the scheduling, and the requirements to build these.
There was another manager here that was working at the time, and then from there he introduced me to Hayden and Hamish.
And so they helped us with the layout and introduced us to all the different suppliers and vendors that they use, and we were able to have a great product.
The construction was very high quality, and I was very pleased with that, and that obviously adds value now to your project. Now I've got a really strong team around me, because anytime I need something, I can call or text Hamish or Hayden. They just get back to me. I mean, that's pretty rare in today's world.
So with Forge, they were able to essentially have a one-stop shop where we had the general contractor, and then we also had the storage component, which was extremely helpful because we were able to use the knowledge that they have from building all of these throughout the country to here in Boise and what we needed.
I was a roof tiler in New Zealand. My dad was working over here in self-storage. In about '96 is when I first came over, when I was 19 years old. Just started running crews for my dad because he was over here doing it. Job to job, state to state, wherever it was, we just go and do it. And Hamish and I thought that we could do it better.
Basically, I've done every single job on a self-storage facility, from the labour, from putting the roof sheets down to estimating it and contracting it. I'd laboured on these jobs, and there was a disconnect between the steel building company and the labourer.
When we first started at Forge, we probably had 3 or 4 crews, you know. We were in the field ourselves with these guys, and then we set up our right-hand man and the foreman, and you know, you got to slowly grow it. So we will groom our labourers into foremen, and then they will groom other labourers into foremen, and before you know it, you've got 200 employees and 15 crews out there doing the same thing. Having all that under one roof ultimately makes the project built faster, so built on time and on budget, and that's what we like to pride ourselves on.
Forge Building Company is located in Boise, Idaho. Since we started in 2007, we've been Pacific Northwest strong.
We pretty much cover all the western states. That being said, not limited to just the western states. We've got projects coming up in Hawaii, we've done Alaska, we're doing one currently in New York.
With the size of the company now, we have a big enough bandwidth where we can go anywhere in the nation. There's definitely some strategic goals that we want to hit with the company. We see growth in our future for sure.
Whether you're a single facility operator or a multi-facility operator, we pride ourselves on giving you the same amount of time and expertise that we can give you and treat every project as if you're going to build 100 facilities. We want you to be happy with the process, to be happy with the end product, so that you can turn around and tell your friends, tell other developers. Word of mouth is key. If you don't follow through with what you say you're going to do, you're probably not going to be successful in this business.